name is Strato. I am CTO and co-founder at Hurricane Productions and Media Cullet, and today we're going to be taking a quick look through my smart home. There are an incredible amount of ways to retrofit pre-existing technologies in a home. The whole home automation system has a few nodes, if you will, of the brain, but in my office up here is a big chunk of it. You've got most of my radio frequency stuff here. Inside here lives an AI entity that I'm training, and her name is Lorelai. The goal here is to replace the Alexas in the home with something much more intelligent, much more usable. Some of my favorite automations are the ones that I kind of forget about and just blend into the background of everyday life. It's so simple, but being able to open my master closet and walk in and the light come on automatically, and also it be super dim in the middle of the night, is just really nice. And you'll see a lot of spots where I need to repaint because I'm replacing older units. Really old alarm system, old alarm panel, installed a ring retrofit is what it's called. When I disarm the alarm, all the lights will turn blue. And also when I arm it, everything turns red for a second. And this happens throughout the home. Mind the mess down here. It is very much a basement for storage. This corner is kind of like the home automation corner. We have an extra network interface down here that really is for my security cameras. Every single one of these cables is connected to my electrical panel. Like, these are a few extra circuits for the pool, but even in here too, I've got a few that are detecting the power draw running through each of those circuits, where we've got of all of the circuits and the power draw that everything is taking at any given moment. Like most homes, I'd say built prior to, I don't know, 2015, 2020, they've got landline phone jacks. You can use a voice over IP box and basically turn a landline into a pipeline into your home assistant. Turn off my office lights. And it got darker in here. Important part of what I'm doing with home automation are the dashboards that I've been building. So basically, every major system in the home, I like to be represented in some visual way. Everything from weather alerts to, lighting in the home. This is really a centralized hub for all of those to be visualized and interact with. For example, I can see exactly how much water is being used and also trends over time, and also an estimation of how much money I'm spending. Got these tablets that basically are a version of the dashboard that I was showing earlier on the computer and also on the phone. So this home screen has a nice weather view of the upcoming week and current conditions. And then here's a look at power consumption throughout the home, and then the boiler. Roombas are great, but again, what makes them better is Home Assistant. I can now have the lights come on in the rooms that the Roomba is in to help it navigate or do a variety of other things triggered by the Roomba. If the dustbin is full, I can have Lorelai let me know. Welcome to the pool. So I wanted to show a few things out here that are feeding to Home Assistant. I also brought Lorelai with us that she can help with some information if I need it. So in here, we've got the skimmer, and I've got something called a water guru. And basically, this is hanging down, and once a day takes a chemical reading and then delivers all those readings to Home Assistant. Lorelai, activate Chloe. And Chloe is the dolphin vacuum robot right here. I also have a pool dashboard that shows me the pool temperature, how much power that the pool is using. Just like I can pick up the phone and talk to Lorelai, I can also talk to her here or on my app. So I can say, how is the pool looking? Are the chemicals in check? And just like that, the pool's ready for a splash. Water temperature is 79 degrees, free chlorine 3.4. And then I could even take it a step further and say, what do you recommend to help balance the pool further? To balance the pool further, you need to increase the calcium hardness, adding calcium chloride to do the trick. So just remember, too much continuing to Captain Krusty. She's a little bit weird and sassy sometimes, kind of built that into her personality. But the point here is that this goes way beyond the capability of what, you know, Alexa and Echoes can do right now. I'm not completely away from the cloud stuff yet, but as I said, it is a goal of mine to move away from that so that I'm in control of my own data, my privacy, and if something was to go down, if there was a global outage, you know, at Amazon or any one of these companies, I don't want to be left without being able to control my home. So, you know, any opportunity I get to localize something, I do that. A lot of the automations and integrations that I have are built by community-driven applications that are a bit experimental, but allow me to have a centralized hub for pretty much every system in the home.